What if you can burn hundreds of extra calories per day while resting? Think about how much easier it will be to stay lean, less time working out and more room in your meals, and your body still burns fat on autopilot. Well, this isn't just a kind of metabolic trick. For a lot of people, it is absolutely possible by boosting your metabolism and specifically your basal metabolic rate, which is also called resting metabolic rate. And what's fascinating is that your basal metabolic rate accounts for about 60 to 70% of your total daily energy expenditure, which simply means that the majority of the calories you actually burn each day comes simply from existing and not from physical activity, not from movement. So if you can optimize your basal metabolic rate even slightly, it becomes the most effortless and advantageous way to stay lean. Your body burns more fat passively, you have room to eat more and enjoy life while staying lean. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you the 7 powerful evidence-backed ways to boost your metabolism, to boost your basal metabolic rate, and actually help you burn hundreds of extra calories per day without lifting your finger, without any physical activities. So let's get into it. And the very first one is to optimize your thyroid function. Having an underperforming thyroid, which may stem from micronutrient deficiency, mineral deficiency, can actually slow down your metabolism. And in fact, this alone can cause your body to be burning around 500 to 1000 fewer calories per day. That is not a small dip, that is actually a metabolic shutdown. Now, your thyroid is a butterfly-shaped endocrine gland that is located in front of your neck just below the Adam's apple. And the thyroid produces the thyroid hormones that have a major control on your metabolism. Now, when it comes to optimizing your thyroid health, it is very imperative to be getting nutrients like iodine. And that is because your thyroid requires iodine to make the thyroid hormone. But the bigger issue is that iodine deficiency still affects over 2.2 billion people worldwide. And the downstream effect of this is that low levels of thyroid hormone is going to produce, and that is going to drastically slow down your basal metabolic rate. Now, while you primarily can get iodine from table or sea salt, it is still not enough to meet your daily recommended intake. So the good news is that fortified iodine salt is now available. You can take advantage of that, and that is going to help meet your recommended daily intake. Now, aside from fortified iodine salt, you can also get iodine in their natural form from foods like seaweed. Seaweed contains about 232 micrograms of iodine per serving, which is way above the recommended daily intake, which is 150 micrograms per day. And also cod contains 158 micrograms of iodine per serving. So this is going to help maintain optimal levels of iodine in your body. Now, along with iodine, 2 common important minerals that are essential for your thyroid function are zinc and selenium. And that is because of their important role in the conversion of the inactive form of the thyroid hormone, which is T4, into the active form, which is T3. So this is going to help boost your metabolism. And this was actually confirmed by a metabolic study which found that low zinc diet, about 5.5 milligrams per day, led to a significant drop in their basal metabolic rate, about 9%. However, when zinc was increased, their thyroid hormone as well as their basal metabolic rate significantly rebounded. Now, this is kind of very interesting, even though the study is a very small one. And just to give you a heads up, selenium and zinc deficiency are not uncommon. It is very common. It affects majority of people, most especially older population. So if you want to optimize your thyroid function, you actually have to consider zinc and selenium supplementation. Now, another powerful way you can boost your metabolism is by increasing your protein intake. Now, among all the 3 macronutrients, protein, carbohydrate, and fat, protein is far the most effective at increasing your metabolism, at boosting your metabolism. And here is why. When you eat protein, it actually causes your body to release special hormones like GLP-1. And this hormone actually tells your brain to reduce hunger and increase your satiety, which means you are going to have fewer cravings, less snacking, and better appetite control. Now, the other way protein is very important in boosting your metabolism is by cranking up your thermic effect of food. Thermic effect of food is simply the amount of energy that your body spends in digesting and processing your food. Now, for example, for carbohydrate has the thermic effect of about 0 to 3%, while for fat is about 5 to 10%. But for protein has the thermic effect of about 20 to 30%. So to put this in a more practical term, if you consume 100 calories worth of protein, your body may end up burning 30 calories just to digest it, just to break it down. So that is like taking 30% off automatically. Now, the other cool benefit of eating protein when it comes to weight loss is that it helps preserve your muscle and increase your muscle mass. Your muscle is a metabolic furnace. The more muscle mass you have, the more your body is able to burn the fats that are in your body. So definitely start eating protein. Now, another way you can boost your metabolism is by swapping out unhealthy oil with metabolism friendly oil. Now, most people are unknowingly destroying their metabolism by the type of oil they are using in cooking, most especially refined vegetable oil like corn oil, sunflower oil, or soybeans oil. All of these oils are very high in omega-6 fatty acid. And when your omega-6 fatty acid to 3 fatty acid ratio is off, which usually is, it can increase inflammation, it can drive insulin resistance, and it also can slow down your fat burning process. So it's going to make it much harder for your body to lose weight. Instead, you want to replace them with healthy oil like MCT oil, especially those that are rich in lauric acid. And a perfect example is coconut oil. Now, unlike long-chain triglyceride like those found in butter, medium-chain fatty acids that are found in MCT oil tend to boost your metabolism to a more greater extent. And study found that medium-chain fatty acid from MCT oil can boost your resting metabolic rate by 5% in just 24 hours. And this actually translates to about 120 extra calories burned just by replacing unhealthy oil with oils like an MCT oil. And the other cool thing is that medium-chain fatty acid also increase energy expenditure by inducing white adipose tissue browning. This also adds another layer of metabolic benefit. Okay, so make sure to start using this oil, MCT oil. It has a lot of amazing benefits. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is by fixing your sleep. Now, we've seen a lot of evidence that not getting enough sleep can actually slow down your resting metabolic rate, your basal metabolic rate, just the following day. Now, this drop in your basal metabolic rate can favor fat accumulation. And this was confirmed by a study which found that not getting adequate amount of sleep for just 1 week led to a significant accumulation of visceral fat. Conversely, another study found that increasing your sleep duration from unhealthy duration, which is short duration, less than 6 hours per night, to longer duration, more than 7 hours per night, led to a significant reduction in belly fat. So if you really want to lose those fat, you actually have to prioritize good sleep. You have to increase the amount of sleep that you are getting. Even though you are doing other things, you are working extra harder, you are doing physical activity just to lose weight. But if you are not getting enough quality sleep, that is going to undo all your progresses. So start getting enough sleep. Now, getting enough sleep is not just going to make you to feel lively and productive. Getting enough sleep should be considered as a cornerstone for maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including weight loss. Now, another cool science-backed way to burn more fat is by taking cold shower. This might feel a little edgy, but it is real. When your body is being exposed to cold temperature, it has to work harder to maintain the cold temperature, and as a result, that causes your body to activate the brown adipose tissue, which is a special type of fat tissue that burns fat just to generate body heat. And in fact, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation found that men who spent just 2 hours a day in a 66 degrees Fahrenheit room, which is about 19 degrees Celsius room, had their adipose tissue activity increased, their brown adipose tissue activity increased, and they also tend to burn significantly more calories. So you can lose hundreds of calories every day just by taking cold shower, or just by going outside in a cold temperature, or even splashing water on your face can also help trigger this thermogenic response. Okay, now next I want to mention is chili pepper and other pepper belonging to this genus. Now chili pepper contains this compound called capsaicin, which is basically what gives chili pepper their spicy cakes. But at the same time, this capsaicin also boosts your metabolism by activating your brown fat or your brown adipose tissue, just like taking cold shower, to generate heat. And according to several studies, capsaicin can increase calories burned by an extra 50 to 100 calories. And the other interesting benefit of chili pepper is that the capsaicin in chili pepper is that it promotes fat oxidation, and it also helps influence your metabolism, which is a big plus, especially if you are dieting and want to avoid metabolic shutdown. Alright, now another cool benefit of chili pepper is that it helps reduce appetite and also give you this sensation of fullness, which means you are going to eat much less without having to starve yourself. So chili pepper is a cool way of also burning your fat in the form of thermogenic response, as well as fat oxidation, and even promoting your sensation of fullness. Now the last scientifically proven way to boost your metabolism that I want to talk about is to increase your hydration throughout the day. Now most people don't realize this. Even mild dehydration can actually slow down your metabolism. Almost all cellular reaction in the body requires water to carry out their processes, including fat oxidation, including the process of breaking down fat to generate energy, to generate body heat. All of them requires water. So if you are dehydrated, that can slow down your metabolism. Now, according to a study that was conducted, individuals who were drinking 500 ml of water, which is about 2 cups of water, had their resting metabolic energy expenditure temporarily increased by 30%, and this lasted for about 30 to 40 minutes. And when we put this into practical illustration, that is like about 24 extra calories burned just by drinking 2 cups of water. Now, even though this might look like a very small amount of calories, but if we account for the numbers of times we drink water daily, that is going to result in about 100 calories burned just by drinking water every single day. So drinking water is very important in boosting your metabolism. I highly recommend it. So guys, by incorporating these tips into your daily routine, that is going to help your body to burn more fat. That is going to help boost your metabolism. Alright, so make sure to take care of your health, and then if you love this video, you may want to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.